has a YouTube channel called Rising Space Star 77, but make sure to put a space after rising. I just want to say my dad has really good content like songs, food, and politics. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys!
Okay, second, this regiment, I would go is, I would just circle, like, round, front and back, my arms, so that it gives you, basically for the blood flow. I can do this like 3 sets. Stretch your arms. If there's any muscle kind of, stagnant, this will push that muscle to be free, so that blood can flow. Okay, so do in the front. You can do 3 sets. I always do 3 sets every, particular exercise. And also you can control the breath. You can like hold, release, hold, release, hold, release, hold, release, hold, release, hold, release. Okay, so do 3 sets, and this is the next one, and I'll go for the next one too. Okay. I have reached the final regiment of my exercise. This is for the belly portion. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna sit on the floor and basically, we talk about this portion. This is the hardest part to reduce, as far as, the man is concerned. And you can see over 50 people, over 50 years old, even younger too, like they have all the pot belly. So this is the biggest, obstacle for a man to get rid of. So I'll show you 3-step exercise, how to get rid of this belly. Okay, I still have a little bit, the fats, but much better than before because of this exercise. So I'll show you here. You lie down. Basically, you put your arms on the bottom here. Okay. So you can do like this. You don't have to raise like too high. So you bring the leg, okay, simultaneously, and this will go 3 sets. You don't have to do fast. You can do slow. All right. This is 1 step, and I'll show you the next one.